Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hi, what's up, Raga?
Why day I give thanks, Yeah, what's up?
Boy, me have a mix-up left for you.
Box me cross my face with it.
They got the careless girl we breed for our supervisor, man. Which is a married man and have over 12 pitney.
Well on.
Raga?
Well on, the careless girl who breed for our supervisor, man.
Man, yeah.
Well on. The supervisor man married to somebody else.
Listen, Raga, you see the girl?
Yeah.
She and the supervisor were at the same place.
Right.
And the supervisor have this narco man.
Careful.
Which is a married man.
Leave it right there. So it's a narco, as in narcotics?
Yeah.
Okay, man who is a married man?
Yeah.
Okay, so the man married and the supervisor are the bonner woman, but this girl got breed for him, this other girl got breed for him too.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, go on talk, I know. Yeah.
So every time the supervisor post the girl start dashboard from the supervisor because she know how to work certain place. So when the supervisor finally find out say the girl a breed, the supervisor start ball and take instant sick leave 1 week straight. Now that the girl have pitney last month, the narco now own the pitney, so the girl have to end up carry the pitney go give him man a yard.
Well, let me understand the mix-up. Okay. This girl works somewhere and she have her supervisor, right?
Yeah.
The supervisor I take a man who already married.
Yes.
The girl now go take the man too.
Yeah.
And then go breed for the man.
Yeah.
When the supervisor, who is really a bonner girl, who will take the married man, here say her subordinate, the girl who work under her, a breed for the man, she take it to her stress, take her and she get 1 week sick leave and bear things.
Yeah.
But then you said the man not own the pitney.
No, because the man married and he can't bring the pitney go home to wife because wife not go accept it.
Okay, so what you say she do now? She turn around and give fear man a yard the pitney as a jacket?
Yes, my dear.
And what you tell me? And what you say to me?
Same ago, last month the girl have pitney.
When you say narco man, what you mean?
Narcotics.
Okay, leave it right there, son. All right, leave it right there, so leave it right there, so leave it right there, so leave it. All right, you know what? We're not trouble that one no more here.
Big up fun all people.
Eh?
Big up fun all people, not no Oraga.
Large up yourself, blessings and respect here.
All right, dear.
All right, you know. Mm-hmm. Where's the Jeremy? Could leave it right there, son. Hey, now what? Jeremy, I mix up the. Hey, sometimes when we say mix up, you know what we mean. But sometimes some people give us some mix up, like the mix, the actual mix, you know. The mix really mix, you know. God, I want to deep, you know, man. The girl works somewhere and she have a supervisor who is a woman. The supervisor take a narcoman who married a female woman. The girl got breed for the narcoman. When the supervisor, who is also a bonner woman, hears say, fear subordinate, got breed for the narcoman, stress take her 1 week sick leave and beer things. But then the narcoman say him, not own the pitney. So the girl carry the pitney, go give fear man a fear yard where she live and say, boop, well a jacket yet kind of tight, but wear it. Odd. And that near mix up. Eh? Upon the pepper scale, how much that we can't get? No, root, it's somewhere between a 3 and a 4 pepper mix up. Yeah, somewhere between a 3 and a 4 pepper mix up. And thing. Eh? Eh? No, you know, you're driving a ball out. How much pepper I want to get? How much pepper? Okay, sit down and call it. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Raga.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah, sir. Personal link there, I still listen to me.
Maximum respect, my link.
Yes, that thing. But you see, when I listen to you and yesterday I made a King's House and I watched most of the people that get the award and thing.
Yeah.
Well, my brother didn't get the award because he was one of the police right there about you still, you see me?
Oh, 102 police, yeah.
Yeah, he was a sergeant, you see?
Right.
So I'm thinking, I'm look funny, you know, I see some people will get some award where, boy, trust me, they don't know where they get, you know, I tell them, you know, because we can't. You get me? Because then we wait so long to see them award for people, you see me?
Yeah.
That's why I say, boy, it's wicked.
Just in the recent years, them actually kind of open up that thing there, you know, because before the people them who used to get award, people kind of lash out and say, hold on, how be about the people who get award? You understand? One to the underground people them and thing who make some significant accomplishment and thing, them deserve award too. It's within the last 10 years or so, 10, 15 years or so, them start get certain people from certain background award. Because one time at the beer, most of the people go a Hero Circle a year time go get award, you know.
You see it? Because straight up, you know, my brother was there and make me start, maybe listen to me know about you on the radio still, you know.
Yeah.
The man said to me one couple when he end up on the other station and he said to me, say, why you listen to Raga? I say, who named Raga? And he tell me, say, why you tune up to this and me start.
You see?
And trust me, me have no regret because trust me learn and me laugh to me weep more time, you see me?
Yeah.
So me can write no more time, me yesterday did analysis and me can remember all of that, you see me? It trust me, it hurt. Cause him make me can laugh and I enjoy the program.
So it was a bittersweet thing for you, because you listen to the program and a lot, but you remember, say, your dead brother did introduce you to it and thing and whatever and so forth. Yeah. Well, I respect, man.
Yeah, see, but I'm kind of glad you know, say that one thing and, you know, we enjoy ourselves, you see it, because, trust me, me at that stage that make me know enough about woman, you know.
Okay. And relationships and them something.
Relationship and things, how for the yeah, because sometimes the one thing same know things and you don't know half hour go on.
No, but that is a point I make. I find that a lot of these so-called bride people, them don't have any relationship common sense, you know. Them not have no relationship common sense, and certain things I reach them and thing and them don't even know how to deal with it.
Yeah, see, because enough time me think say me know things that when me say what? Then me I hear that because me think say and thing, but me still never know. I for me I learn enough things.
But me say it all the while with all my degrees and all my this and that and whatever. In terms of understanding certain reality, in terms of how people think and how people deal with certain particular issues, you know, man and woman thing in particular, relationship, and then with respect to some things what Jamaicans believe, what we never know so them believe, and again it's patterned, you know, because more than one people believe. And I show you teach me them things, you know.
Yeah, man.
I show you teach me them things, I'm not lie. Enough look at things when we think some it's smart and bright about and whatever. And the same so-called liquor people, them common people, explain to me enough of the things them were going on, you know, through the vehicle of Mixup. So we give thanks. I say not near me, that's why you well have strength still, you know, condolences enough for the passing of your brother, and think particularly under the circumstances which he had to go.
You see me?
Panimani, why may I tell him, man, cool sitting.
You see, but don't know, it's a guidance and strength to see it.
Yeah, man, protection. You hear me, Link?
Bless up, sir.
All right, Papa. Okay, here we go to the phone line again. Mixup was it. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
Yes, Raga.
Yeah.
One call a friend the other day.
Yeah.
Build a nearby big yard. Nearby big yard?
Yeah.
One day me I listen to you. So.
Jermaine, turn up the car and them look at me. Hear them a look louder. Yeah.
One day me I listen to you, you know.
Yeah.
So, my boss have a friend come.
Yeah.
So she said to me, say, you listen to that dirty man there? So I say, you know, say a long time, I know for a long time from my mother sell crab and she call him and say, yeah, bring her back our water, a bucket of water and him carry the water come. So she said, no man, you have to listen to him because right now college me there because he make me learn no heap of things that me never learn. I me never know.
Seeing.
And then she sit down now and she'll listen and the light go away.
Yeah.
You don't look at the radio, you hear me, boom, don't you man?
Okay, yeah. Avoid the B word. Yeah. Okay. So when the light gone, she start lashing.
Who look at the radio? I say, something I reach here, you know.
You see?
I'm listening to the one station. I want her that I listen. So I say, if not nothing, that's where she will learn.
You see it?
So, me not see the sense.
Well, I saw it things set.
Another one, Raga.
Yeah.
What happened Thursday?
Yeah.
But there are certain places. I want me not to call the name.
All right. Yeah.
And some pipe to fix and something. The man get paid for fix it, the something, and it's still a leak.
Yeah.
Right? Something that's me know for cut and go on next work. And the lady asks me, what time may I leave? Me tell her, I say, no, me never answer she. Me turn to the man, me give him the preference, you know. What time you go finish? Because if I reach my next work by XY. In my work, we meet him the van. Miss, I wish part a leak. Him definitely I do the work, but him don't know which part. Him don't know why him a do. He collect him money already, you know. Right. So it happened that if I go in now and if I clean up the place, I turn to him and I say, my youth, you can't go to the place, you know. Him say, I feel I'm married. I say, no, you need to clean up that, because I not clean up that. Because after me, I try to help you. Him start, I say, I want to see you, mix up. Sit down now, you listen to Dr. Raga. You see when him tell me that? I say, yo, listen, Raga talk your deeds, because you see the house where you're sleeping with the husband and his wife, she saw him man soon chop you up. You see what I tell him, sir, Raga? The man caught him. Me never know say I help me. I say a brute, you never know some of your deeds. You never know some of your deeds. Because I believe me for fast to shot him go. Big for my yard. And they even me tell him I come off up the road just to the woman stop me if he says something, you know. Because I didn't say this at the whole place I know a walk one.
So what I know, so him basically not fulfill him obligation with fixing the pipe, right? No. And then and when you start dressing up about it, all of a sudden it becomes about it becomes about Raga.
Yeah.
And
Dirty Raga,
I can't listen to Dirty Raga, make you go and something. And then you whap him back and say, yeah, I did see him Dirty Raga with Mixup and thing. Because when you say to him now, who him a take what?
Him living at the man house with his wife and there with the wife and she claims her family and he never know me know that. So I just give it to him and say, you right now I talk to because I have a caller and talk about the same thing.
So the wife tell her husband say him a relative.
A relative.
And then the time him they are pump the wife in the house.
Quite so.
And the husband live there.
Quite so.
And you know, so when you knock him with a mix up the way say.
Go to hear him. Me never know say I help me. Me never know say I help the dial. Me say a brute, yo.
Tambourine! That one the heart all nasty this.
She call him, you know, because him never know say me know, you know. She call him, hear me know my hypocrite self. I catch that. Yeah, shut up, boom, for call her back. So, hear me, no, they call her back now, no? Yeah, but after me, I could have minute she call me and me, I do something and I get to my brains, I know, you know, me have a work for what they want, you know.
But, tell me something. After you mash him up with him business, don't him start going like Yanima Link, I want to cool.
Yeah, you might come out. Run him out of the house, Mr. Mayita, come out.
I cool you, man.
Yeah.
I cool you, man. Boy, I understand himself, man.
So.
Anyway, blessings to them too, they here.
Yes, Raga.
Now you take care.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, brother.
Yes, greetings.
Yeah, long time listener, first time caller.
Whoa.
Yeah, well, I'm big up to my niece. We check on my man, bring my name to my man, some other next man, and then him bring him off a tree, go start him out.
What? Big up to your niece, so what?
Bring my name to my man and bring him off a tree, go start him out, so me I give him bone.
Your niece bring your name to your man, say what?
So me I give him bone, and then bring the man, go off a tree, go start him out.
Who bring the man? Who bring
my niece?
The niece. Bring your man. Bring your man go off a... So your niece go tell your man, say you are getting born.
Yeah.
And then she carry your man, go off a tree, go start him out.
Yeah, she don't stop calling man's phone and say, yeah, my other man so and so. And then my man I say, oh, that's a go on. And then I say, yo, you're cute, you know, and rare, and she don't feel do that, you know. And then they meet and go off a tree, go start out.
Okay, hold on. Off a tree big. I want, is that hotel I'm go?
Yeah, it's a hotel.
They said I'm going to a hotel in a half a tree go start out. All right. Yeah. How you know say them start out?
Because it's like the man come back again and say, hello, I'm going to tell my niece, say, the start out already, you know, so I must stop calling my phone. I'm going to say, what you say about that? And then him start.
Now, hold on. Your man call you and say what?
Me must tell my niece, say, the start out already. So she must stop calling phone.
Your man, hold on, stop this, sir. Your man call you and tell you, him woman, for tell your niece, say, she for stop call up him phone because I sort out already?
Yeah.
So when you hear, was that the first time you realized say your niece has sort out your man?
Yeah. We text her and say water go on and
Hold on. So when your man tell you for tell your niece, say she must stop blow up him phone because I sort out already. You never ask your man right away. So wait, how come you and my niece are sort out?
Yeah, but him say my niece tell him the things them what I go on and then me and him will catch up and so and then we'll split up and so.
Oh, so at that time then, him tell you say, yeah, because your niece make me know say you did a give her the work and I give a bond, so that's why I'm going to do it with your niece, Ray.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Oh. So wait, your niece move good?
Yeah,
your niece did a move?
No.
Hold on. So when your niece did go say that to the man about you or whatever, you and her did a move good them time, then she did just broke your foot?
Yeah.
Papa Jesus. Then tell me something. You didn't really burn your man for true and can't make your niece know?
I don't like really burn him. You see, he's like a youth. We many not talk from school days.
Yeah.
But we see him and we change visit to visit. And then...
You see him and then what?
We just exchange number. When youth and many not talk from school days.
Yeah.
And then... I said, go by yard and I say, no, say, rate, and it's a composing, but soon, no one, go on, just bring you to make your sister go on and Ray and see.
Well, may I ask you, so that you is that you to him that give some good talk, though, where you know from school days, don't it?
Yeah, but a long time he got come.
I know, but then, so wait, when you link him back, look like attraction they did, don't it?
Not really, because I say, why not got my leave, you know, I mean, I say, if I go on, but two me know say, oh man, stay now, but I say, link my niece and say, yo, when your farm goes so and so. And then I go in and have lunch and so and then ready and so my friend.
Oh, so wait, hold on, so you just bring your niece as your trusted confidant, because woman do that more time, because you know, want to go check him alone, no? So you know, say if your niece dead, less like you say, I'm going to go out with anything and rule to you a certain way, don't?
Yeah.
But when I ask you point blank on a different level though, you never do like a little kiss or anything with him.
No, I mean because the day and we'll say yo already I know one in drive.
No, I mean one away when your niece never did it. You never do anything.
No man.
You and anybody ever born your man? You ever born your man yet? Just pinch. I
say no, but not like that. Just call him and tell him.
Oh, what you say?
And it's not born in a way. Not born me alone. I go understand.
Okay, so you really born your man, but your niece don't know about them burning there, so she couldn't talk about them burning there. Okay, so when you are really a born, you don't make your niece no, cause you're no idiot.
No, I don't care nobody when I go born.
When you go born, you don't carry nobody. You're born alone.
No. Yeah.
So the niece not in no position for talk about any of the actual burning where you're going with, don't it?
No.
So your niece damn wicked then, because where did carry her with the man where you carry her around, you never do nothing with that man there.
No, because me not the all, understand?
Yeah.
And they will have lunch and so it's already. The man drop her home, understand? But she don't need to tell the man that because we never did do nothing, you understand?
But it's worse, your man makes you go inform upon you. I'm about 28. So your 16-year-old niece now just go step to your man now and then you and him sort out. The niece and him sort out, don't it?
Yeah.
Okay. So you and her stay right now? How you and her stay?
Huh?
You still get along or what?
No, I just send some text to our phone and say, what I go on and rare and you tell me say, Ray, tell you, what's the thing, say me go this and rare and me never don't do that, so you need no, say me never that and Ray, understand? And she'll say, what's about it? And I say, because him say, must stop calling phone call and him start to the hospital, hotel and rare and way. And she'll give me attitude and I say,
well, you can't just say attitude. You have to tell me what she say back to you, because this is important in the mix-up, you know. We want to hear specifically what she say back to you with our ranking cell.
She with a ranking cell and says, why the man never tell us, say, him did call my phone and rare. I mean, I say, no, because why you get to call him phone number, because you never did have the number, because me get a missed call from him, so me use her phone now and call him back, so she get the number now.
Hold on. So when you tell your niece, say, when your man call you and tell you, say, tell your niece if I stop blow up my phone because the sort out no good. And when you said that to her the first time, her first response was not that she never do it. She never said that then.
Yeah, she say, because she said to me, say, my girl want me to you and she give my dirty attitude, but you know, no, say, I have a call up the thing.
Well, may I ask you, did she say she did not do it with him?
Huh?
She did deny it, so she and him do the things,
Yes, to all she can go, she say, well, if you tell her so, I saw it go, and why never tell her so she come disappear me? I'm a friend, them disappear.
So him come do it with you, with she and her friend, what?
Him, they don't know him. Him come swipe card them and rate. I'm going to say, no, you're not that good, you know. And she said, well, I saw it go.
Well, so when you tell her whatever, she start right away, I done him, I say him use up him swipe card pan her.
Yeah, that she want to say.
That she want to say, and you not believe say him use him swipe card pan her?
No, because he's not really that. He's not proper work about him. He not do that. So why he must do she?
Well, so him never do that to you. Him never use swipe card pan you. So you say if him a your man and him never use swipe card pan you, you say him never use swipe card pan she.
Yeah.
But darling, why if him have one of them card where, why if she have a machine where film card can hold in her, but your machine?
Never go.
If
him just swipe, I must mean that swipe.
Eh?
Because if him just do the swiping, I did me in after swipe because in the round tell me all my thing.
Hold on. What them call the system where you use a card in any machine? What name again? Eh?
Huh?
No man. What name? Multiplex. What may I say?
Multilink.
Alright. What may I say is, you have some card with a multi-link, you know. I have some with a multi-link. And you have some card we can't use in every machine. You understand? So what may I say, why if you have one of them card that we can only use in a NCB machine, you know? And you a scorcher.
I mean, no one sure say him not do that to her because if him to do that, must say me not do it to because I say, yo, you need thing already.
All right.
She younger than you and your thing better than she are.
All right. What respect for the mix-up, though, here?
Yeah, man. I can give you a mix-up, but to lesbian girl.
Okay. Well, you have the mix-up then now?
Yeah, man, I have it.
All right, I'm going to take a break. I will come back and you give it quick, here?
Okay.
All right, so far. And I don't know, say we used to mix up without apology. Say yes, Carla, you say you have a quick lesbian mix up with you and things. Hey, how that one they go?
Yeah. I'm big up to the girl run out a Rasta man and taking a Rasta girl, Raga.
She said what? How that one they go?
Girl, run out a Rasta man and taking a Rasta girl.
She run out a Rasta man and taking a Rasta girl.
Yeah.
And she's a Rastafari complete. So she run with a Rasta man and take a Rasta girl. But she a Rasta?
No, she's not a Rasta.
Okay. All right then. Large her up then, all right. Yes, a big mix up, big up to her then, right?
Yeah. She live next door me.
Uh-huh.
Them come in at night, them drive out at morning. Them come in at night and them sleep out till 12 o'clock another day. Then them bed and drive out. So
the girl and the Rasta girl.
Yeah.
Let's suppose it.
The community.
What? Suppose it's just a nice Rasta friend.
Whenever them don't go work,
yeah.
Them warm and them sit up.
And them do what?
They want that face. Sometimes they just step on the veranda and preach and peep on them. Sometimes they lay down off on the bed, two of them.
Well on. Where you say you go? Wait on. Which part you say you go and go peep on them?
I go on the veranda and sometimes I go the street, you go in here, sometimes I see them in the kitchen, sometimes in the washroom.
Yeah, and what you see them I do?
Sometimes they want to see it, sometimes she kiss off on her jaw and stuff.
Yeah.
I say, what's going on? Sometimes I say to the neighbor and say, something's going on, and them say, yeah man, something's going on because I let a person know about it, but they not watch her, and then they give her notice for the house and rare. I mean, I say, what's going on?
Oh, the landlord give her notice?
Them trying to give her notice because it's the system, or them are on the system, you understand?
Oh. But here I know, you're not permitted to give us a name of any roads on this show. But you most certainly. But we just tell me the area. Just the area. Don't tell me the name of the road, you know. Just the area.
What about road?
All right, not say a word. Not say one more word and thing. All right. Big up the girl now over Wallaba Road who have flash our locks in our new place. Okay. Blessings here.
Yeah, man. Big up.
Okay. You know, if I want down people that don't think they want to locks and them thing, you can't just imagine the person that tie back the locks guy to get in there. Because sometimes, you know, depending on what you do, your ear come down on your face, you have to move back the ear, you know, man. You have to move back the ear because you're weak. Yo, the things that is going on in this country here. That's why some of them don't like the show, because it's expose the things them. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hi, good afternoon. What's going on? I'm there. I got a long time listener, first time caller, I don't know.
All right.
Me have a mix-up figure, but a mix-up your mind, mix-up still Raga.
Yeah, okay. Tell me, can we love the first person mix up them?
All right, and Raga, Mr. Raga, I have one friend, you see?
Yeah, have what?
One friend.
Yeah.
I'm going to say, I did a go one at a time, you know, and she not really, I'm not in cars, more like they are coming to place, and people will laugh.
All right, hold on, stop, hold on, darling. Jermaine, we are a fear. Yeah, darling, just pull your phone a little bit for your mouth because it distort your voice because it's too close, here?
All right, then.
Yeah, man, that's much better. Turn her up now, Jeremy. Check. That now.
Yeah, so I tell you, say.
Much better.
Yeah.
Keep your mouth right there, so perfect. We love where your mouth there right now. Go on, ta.
Yes, I tell you, the girl always come in here and I come crying at me or people and lock her out and things.
Yeah.
And when me did I go to school and sent me to share my lunch money and parties and not to want give her so she could have go to school. So you don't know I'm purple like that.
Yeah.
So now when me did I go one December now, I tell her say, yo, me go and I go come back and things. But my boyfriend now, she always come to me and I say, yo, you know, say, me I go watch your boyfriend for your entire gun. I think, you know, but me I go, you don't know, so me I go call you and me I tell you what I want. So me used to say, yo, me know that you know, because me don't know my boyfriend and him love me like that and now go do certain things.
See him?
Yeah. So afterward now, I go away and things. So my boyfriend had called me one night and asked me, say, if he could go out and party. And I tell him, say, yo, me not really want you to go to the party there and thing. But anyway, I end up go and sitting. But the girl did go to with him. So when the girl got to know, all of them get drunk or something. So when she go back home, our people they must lock her out. But she and my boyfriend can live near.
Yeah.
So she asked my boyfriend she can come over and stay with.
Oh God, hey, go on, ta.
Right. So now when she got to know whatever, I mean there's lots of sort out going down and thing. So she end up get pregnant.
Well on, so she and your boyfriend do the things them.
Yeah.
So the two of them got dagger. This are your good friend where you help and all them something there?
Yes, brother, yes.
Okay, and then what me know, she gonna end up and get pregnant?
Yeah, so she end up get pregnant. Anyway, when I start out from a trip, I come back down and thing. My other friend, I say, yo, you know, say that the girl is pregnant and things. So I say, yeah, how for the baby father? And I say, you know what, one of your boyfriend? And me I say, what? And me I say, yo, never, because I want church ceremony. We go the night there and thing.
I want what?
So my boyfriend, I'm going to say, yo, come here, come on, talk to you right now.
Yeah.
So he come, and then when he come, I say, looking at me, I tell him, say, you never breed her. I'm going to call her name, but you don't know, so whatever I hear, we can't call her name.
See, they are the boss with that, yeah.
Yeah. So I said, tell me, say, you never breed her here. Me could have breed that, him call one name, but we can't call it.
Nice, don't call her name the way you call her, yes.
So I say, I don't know, so me can't breed at the girl and something. So I say, well, all right then, so now you're picking. He said, no, and my picking. And besides that, the girl there, Ray, and you don't know, so she walk out and do with everybody and start out with everybody. So my name could never. And show me working in the office, that's why she want to give pin the baby for me.
Oh, Lord, yeah, no.
So anyway, I never believe one thing, but from that, me I say, yo, if you never trouble the fall would do something for you, don't?
Yeah, the fall would come say that, you know, if you never trouble the fall, the hen would call a cock the name. Mm-hmm.
Right. And you know, so from that day, the record that the girl could never ever pass. And looking at my face again, the girl, she just have a scary thing about me, she don't like me, don't talk again. And from me, look for her,
Raga,
Yeah.
me did ever die and me grab her a long time. But you see, you don't know so well if the youth did really rate you well, you would have gone to that door.
But when I said, what did happen? She did eventually have the youth?
Yes, she have the youth and the youth. She said the youth, them said the youth favor him, but up till this day, the boy stay, the baby are not for him.
So, you see the baby?
Well, I'm going to the baby one and two time, yeah.
So the baby favor him?
Kinda.
Baby kinda favor him. So,
Yeah.
but who the girl see a him at the baby father?
The girl see a theme, but the girl did a call some other name too.
Oh, so she did a raffle the picnic then?
Huh?
So when him never won the picnic, then she did end up a raffle the picnic?
Right, so she did a raffle the picnic, and him did a raffle the picnic too, because him a say a theme picnic.
Okay.
And him had a friend name did a call on the baby one too, on the baby too. So she has say, well, him a say enough to me picnic, and she has say a few picnic and thing. And up till this day, the boy still call my phone, but me not chat to that, because me don't dash him away from time, because you don't know, say, me know some have it like that, and any boy this me have to go. You see?
You see. So you and her on a deal again either?
Never you, me and that the girl that can't deal.
And look there now, she was supposed to be a good friend who you help and
Exactly.
feed
I tell
her.
you, Raga, me start that girl out, you know, when she go to school and thing, now my mother set up my proper money to me go to school, yo, Raga, me share that the money and
You
give
share money and give her. When she had dead for hungry, you feed her.
Of course.
You see it, and look what she turn around and do. Take your man and when you're gone with foreign and things. She don't rinse out your man and all them things there. So based on that now, what you learn from that now? What you gonna do anything differently? Hello? I will lose a call and they look like a credit card and stick right this and thing and whatever. Crazy thing. Hey, this friend thing and whatever. No, I don't want nobody get on my case, you know. If you notice, the topic of the show is people who take them friend, man and woman mix up. Now, if no man no one call, it's not my fault. If only woman call, it's not my fault. But we know, we just for the record, we know, say you have man out there too, who take them brethren woman, and I move to them brethren woman. We know that for a fact. Now, I have made a controversial statement that I don't know what is going on, but it appears to me that the successful instances of a friend, I take them friend people, appears to be women who mostly do it. Now, that could be because it's less likely that the man them going to come tell me. Or that could be because when the man them do it, it end up being more secretive. I don't know. Me don't know. But me just I tell you, say, based on when me I hear a road, with a whole heap of drama go on with friend who take friend people, it's mostly woman that do it. Now you can't get deep and talk about, well, if you really look at who controls the capital and who controls the money, then you would see who would be competing for the money and committing these breaches, which is that men control the money, so the women are the ones who are more likely to commit the breach for broke them female friend foot in order to get access to the resources where the man them have. I just tell her no one here. Go to the 4 lines, we go. Here we go. Hello. Hello. Here I read it there, man. Hello.
Hello?
Make sure that radio off and we're not hearing it here. Hello?
Hello?
I said make sure the radio off and we're not hearing it.
Yeah.
So talk no, darling.
Okay, Raga, I just want to give one bit about some people in a Spanish town.
Yeah, talk look louder there, yeah.
Yeah, I hear me better?
Yeah, man,
Yeah. You have this umbrella live in a Spanish town.
Yeah.
Where have about 4 women.
Yeah.
And you have 3 who know about them one another.
And
one don't know nothing will go on. She just a suspect say something will go on.
Okay.
Anyways, it's the one that have a suspicion that something will go on.
The one when I know about the other 3 but suspects say something not going on, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a she.
Yeah.
Me have a friend where, you know, the 4, you know. And them always come to my house. So, what they there?
What you mean them always come at your house?
Okay, me and the whole of them are friends. Because I'm a bridging there with all of them.
Your brethren, they with all 4, but the 3 we know about them one another, you and them are friend too.
Yeah.
And you and the youth are friend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have a man friend who take 3 of your friend?
Yeah.
Who know about them one another?
Yeah.
Oh, poor Jesus. Yeah, go and talk, I know, yeah.
Anyway, one of them, no, the youngest one out of the lot, she always the one when I know about nobody.
Yeah.
And I jump out, but she not pick up nothing to show you how naive she is.
Okay.
Anyway, one day we are at my house and we have played some game, Truth or Dare, and thing with me and my man and my friend, or a friend them or something.
Yeah, talk up louder. So you play Truth or Dare with you and your man and your rest of friend them.
Yeah.
Backside, you know. Hey.
And we asked the question, is it true that you look such and such? She said, oh. People have said that, but she not look him.
Right.
Anyway, the next girl, the one that said she don't know nothing, she say, truth or dare? She say, truth. She say, I know you text my man the other day, and I say, a which girl that on your walk? She said, no, she never text him, she not have him number and this and that and all sort of mix up raga. Anyway, what did I would say, we go up on the road. We go up on the road, we woke up in my brethren there with the 4 of them.
Yeah.
And you know the woman we don't know about nothing was going, she did it. And basically she attack with the man, she hug him up on them on the road. The next one she start off and a puff and a cuss and a make nice. So she said the next one and then say, so how you look so? Why your face makeup and stay so? So she said, no, I'm a good man. And do something. And I want to look a dirty boy when I'm there with him. I can't stand him. So we said to her, say, no worry yourself, baby. All I don't know, say, when I hear Liquid song, I play, wife you walk out and mate is son, if you just walk out and I see a man and no matter about the next girl.
Right.
Anyway, what did I him gone about?
Well, get to the drama part, though.
We're going about business and everything. So guess what now?
Yeah.
But also, we got a girl with house where no know nothing. So only if you see my little friend now, the youngest one now, she remember she not like the girl and she take the girl man into, you know.
Yeah.
I walk up and I say, yo, come go over your yard and come on up on the internet. Let's see what up on my Facebook or talk to my man from Facebook. So she said, I have the internet. And where you come on my yard for? So me ain't a friend. Well, we are friends.
Well, on the darling, let me tell you something. I don't want you to tell me a story. I want you to tell me the mix-up part here. Because there's a whole heap of things that happen where you can't just spend out forever.
With me.
Me know. No, me just share with you that there, sometimes we tell people that, listen, there's a difference with giving us all of the details about an incident as opposed to giving us the details about the mix-up. So the mix-up we want, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man. No, man, you do all right, you know, but we just want to hear what the drama there, Yeah.
Yeah, but the drama part not happening yet, because I guess I want party, I got keep and this everything I go down, you know.
Tell me about the party.
The party I come up in another month, and I can't tell you when, because I want nobody to listen when know me. I know it's them me.
All right, no sorry, but you see, we really want.
My camera, I can put it and take pictures and video to make you see Raga.
All right,
this is sitting on that apparatus. All right.
All right, then blessings. Give me a next caller, bong bang. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Good evening, Raga.
Good evening.
So long me dip on the line at home.
Talk no.
So long me dip on the line at home.
Mr. Talk no. Yeah, can you come on now?
Anyway, it's a first person mix up.
Yeah.
I had this friend when I was about 19 years old. She was 26.
Yeah.
Then I'm going to deal with this while we are 21.
Yeah.
No, the first time we started, I'm a good friend, I tell her anything, she tell me anything.
Right.
I tell her, chat and all of that.
Yeah.
No, after me tell her all of that, all of a sudden, she had told me, say, oh, look like him have Down syndrome, and no, now one thing, oh, me there with him. I said, no, man, everything good.
Well on the Tambourine. So you there with the man and it was a problem, and after you tell her, say, you sat out with the man and the sat out shot her everything, she had tell her, say, you know, say nothing I go on for the boy, them look like him have Down syndrome and beat.
Yes.
Go on talk.
After that, I see the Coronians are going with the two of them.
Yeah.
Me and I used to work at the same place, yeah?
And I ask her about him. I say, look here, you are such person there? She said, no. Why me don't think so if me and her no friend? I say, well, friend take friend, man. She said, no, go on with you, man. I ask him, I say, you are she there? He say, no. All right. I go on house one day. I normally get Monday day off, she get Monday day off.
Yeah.
She take the Monday morning, I call her, she said she have got a tone. I say, all right, cool then. I go over him house. He take the front door, she take the back. So I ask him, say, who run gone through the back door? He say, he don't know who. Because the back door was open. I say, of course the back door was open, because I just hear the back door lock. He say, nobody has gone to the back door. I say, all right then. I go in the room or hang that on the bedside table. So I take it up and I put it in my bag. Tuesday, I go to work, I give her the earring. I say, see your earring here. She said, which part you find it? I say, see which part you see? Oh, you know, so I go in the bathroom a while. I'm going to take it out and I put powder for my face. And I never remember if I put it in. I said, then, you know, have an earring in your ears already. Why you don't want to put this in your ears? She say, me just put this in my ears and she starts stuttering and all of that. I said, no, yes, man. See which part you left it at this and me take it up from. Anyways, she did a grow. Like, she get timid now because she don't know where you think, because she know exactly which part me get the earring.
So you have to drive them crazy, man. You see, men need to learn from this, you know, because we as men, we don't just ball out the sitting and thing. Woman know if we just kind of go and come on and make it organizing, yeah.
You know? So anyways, the Tuesday evening, I said, I'm going to move. I asked her if she'll come. She said, no. All right, I call the guy. I said, I'm going to move. And I know, if not, maybe me and you are going to move. Same time, in phone get a beep. In soon talk back to me. After that, he said, no, your mother sick, he can't come and move with me. I said, no, yourself, man. Anyways, I said, all right, we're going to move. When you do a movie and sit down, when you look to my right, Zine, are the two of them. Raga? When you go over there, I stand up in front of the two of them. I say, hi, my best friend, I'm a man.
Well, lad, so weird. You see them and you get up in the movie and go over to them and say, hi, my best friend, I'm a man, in the movie.
Yeah.
Backside and then what happen?
Intermission, same time, and then turn on the light. They say, yes, my best friend, I'm going to do with my man. They say, yes, my man, I'm going to do with my best friend. What? Mr. Look here, I have to tell you, you can't follow me go moving. No, now it's not available. It's 200 a year. They say, not now. I say, no, man. Enough is going on. Anyways.
So wait, it was which day of the week of the movie?
Tuesday.
So it was 2 for 1?
Yeah.
Tambourine! Anyway, go on, so I carry me top me then.
No.
Manchester. Okay, all right then. Go on, Tom.
Yes, so after that, I go home and I pack up whatever I have there and I leave.
Yeah.
When me up on my way, I leave from Fim, she up on our way, I go. Then,
yeah.
Shoulder to shoulder park, and I walk in the center in the town of Mandeville, yeah?
Yeah.
Now, after that, he moved in with him.
So wait, when you hold on. When you walk out with your clothes, she a walk a go in.
She a walk a go check in, because obviously she never knows the leader there. And
she never hide at that point there anything because the thing done bust out already, no?
Yeah.
And this are your best friend, right?
Yeah.
Hey, and then what?
No, she moved in with him and them live for a couple months.
Yeah.
Him carrying woman panel, they have nervous breakdown. She in the hospital for months, no know no body, no know her shirt, no know nothing.
Papa Jesus. And then what?
She left him chew out. You never get the chance to leave him chew out, yeah?
Yeah.
And I don't know what happened after that, but last week, one day, I get a text on my phone say, somebody have a plea for forgiveness like, wow. I'm saying, yo, I don't know this number here. So I text the person and I say, yo, I don't know who you have for forgiveness because you look like a God and I am not God. She texts me back and say, hey. So I say, girl, you're not dead? She said, no, she a Christian. I said, wow, I'm so happy for you. And then she tell me, say she married. I say, yeah? No. After me tell her, I say, I'm married. And she married and she'll look for forgiveness for now. I tell her to forgive her. Because if me never forgive her, probably she that day, I did house, I buried already or something. She said, thank you, Raga. After that, the girl look me. The girl tell me how much she like me and she want me.
Hold on there. Why the backside here tell myself and the people and bossy there? Mind the bossy people who don't like me and secretly and listen, man, you gonna give them a heart attack right now. After she says she a Christian now and this and that and she a beg forgiveness. Your one-time best friend will thief your man from you quietly, assault out your man back at you, and take away your man from you and this and that. I'm going to live with your man and all and same thing there and whatever. And then the man fling her out and get a nervous breakdown and all kind of thing. Long after and this and that and Ray. She takes you back, says she turned Christian and want forgiveness and this and that. And you say, all right, I forgive you, Ray. And then she a move to you and want to do the things them to you. She want your jojo.
Yes, Raga, and after the boy do that to her, she turned to a girl and a friend that she like. So me text her, I text her.
Well, what she said, after the boy mash her up and things, she returned to a girl and she like it.
Yes.
Lesbian by default, them not real. But anyway, what want her?
Yeah, she text me. So me ask her, she text me because she rather talk in person or by text.
Sure.
All right then. She text me. So me text her, me say, look here, from when you like me. She said for one day, one time she did come at my house and she did come wait for me because me never ready for work yet and she come wait for me. She said when me come out, I'm out of the bathroom and I'm a towel. So me tell my girl.
Well on. This is from you. Well on. This is from you and her best friend and all them thing and you have your man them time, don't it?
Yeah.
Papa, hey, you know so this deep. She said she want you for a long time, you know. And thing, you know. Yeah, and then she said from them time that she want you and thing and then why else?
Yeah, me say, me not dependent up there. Me are strictly Ray.
Yeah.
And she say, well,
we understand.
That, but
we understand.
She say,
it is not Paul, it is not Sean, it is not Harry, and it is a different name. Yeah, go on talk. Strictly lick. Yeah, go on talk, yeah.
So me say to her, me not lose the thing, and me not go around the curve.
Yeah.
She said, well, that is that. You can't say me never try and me not stop trying. Me say, don't worry yourself, man. No only put the with you. So I ask her, me say, does your husband know about this freaky side of you? She said, no. So I tell my girl, probably you need to tell him and him are the same type of person as you say, we're running for a threesome with you. But look here, whatever you have in your mind or your thought process about me, it not going to happen. So she said, all right, from that she don't text me back.
Backside, I know, but and she got turned Christian now, married and thing, and still obsessed with you secretly, you know.
Still obsessed with me.
But what I'm saying, I find it fascinating that she was attracted to you from way back when as your best friend.
Yeah.
Then this woman, this woman who is attracted to you from way back when as your best friend, end up a look your man and a take your man back at your back. You understand? Yeah. But she really attracted to you.
Exactly.
You know, see how did I go on there, so? You see, anyhow, you didn't make the play for all the threesome run them time. They took that shot, you know.
Well, I'm not depend that.
Eh?
I'm not depend that.
No, but you see, she's a straight freak and she gone in her church now and say she's a Christian and them thing, you know. That is just a mask, you know, because here you ask her if her husband knows that she want to do the things with woman and all them something there. She said no and whatever this. You see, some of them best friend, you see, some of them so-called best friend.
Raga, from that. No woman to me, I be a man for them. Let them tell me something.
Well on. So if you have a best friend right now, Kataki got truth, I know them all read the news quick. But if you have a best friend right now, who you come out the bathroom and I say, oh no, your breasts them look good and thing. You take them check now?
No, Raga.
No, you don't take them check there again. Anyway, we have forgot them and read the news here.
Yes, Raga.
All right, then blessing, Papa Jesus.
A mix-up and blender time.
Okay, let's go to the phone line. Good afternoon. Hello.
Buenas tardes, señor.
Buenas tardes, cariña. ¿Qué tal?
I am fine. Oh, Lord Jesus have mercy, muy bien. Lord have mercy, Raga ever show me up.
No, then you come out to the Spanish and just roll with it. So what's
up? How you doing?
Me there, you know.
That's good. But Raga, I'm not like, come like me little medicine.
Me?
Yes.
Okay, what kind of medicine though?
Why am I telling me? No one tell them what kind of medicine.
Shh, I make them know our business.
No. But Raga, if I only see you for 2 days, I feel incomplete.
All right.
Yeah, so I just want to pick you up.
All right, bless
Raga, I have a little parable for you.
I
really want you to give me the meaning right now. I want you to go home and think about it.
Okay, then. Give me homework. Give him a homework, yeah.
Raga, I really want you to know that it is because of your show that I've learned so much, like such and such. I can identify any muck, and I've even learned how to roast a duck.
You can identify any muck, and you have learned how to roast a
And
duck.
I've even learned how to roast a duck.
Now, that's an interesting parable, and like you suggested, we will not
we
would not delve into that parable and seek to deconstruct muck and roast duck. But we're well aware that the term roast duck is already very popular in the working class vernacular of Jamaicans. Uptown people won't know about it. Them not gonna know about roast duck as in Chinese food. But me and you come from Ghetto and we know what roast duck mean. No. We know what roast duck. All of get the people who know what roast duck mean walk out and say, hey,
know what that means. Trust me, something's wrong.
We know what's a roast. No, man, enough people don't know what roast duck mean. And my sister come from Ghetto like me, but my sister big Christian. My sister listen right and I'm sure she don't know what roast duck mean.
You can't stay there. Most Christian know far more than me, you know.
Well, that's not true, but not my sister. No,
anyway, Raga.
Me can't vouch, man. Anybody in a dance, most people in a dance are going to know what roast duck mean. Not the young one, them, but you know.
Them I learn too.
I learn cup and sauce, a roast duck and the whole nine.
Raga, I want your advice on something.
Rinse.
I want you play Dr. Raga for me today. Come here, I wonder if something wrong with me.
Talk up.
All right, I have a best friend, right?
Yeah.
At least she's supposed to be my best friend.
Yeah.
All right. She called me one day, just the other day, maybe like 2 weeks ago. Anyway, she was upset. She never really wanted what she upset about, but me just blow it off because I figured say maybe she would tell me when she's ready.
Right.
Right, because I like to give people time. Anyway, I called her the following day. When I called her, she was walking with her boyfriend.
Yeah.
Anyway, her boyfriend has struggled with her for the phone. So I said, why must struggle for the phone for? She said, he want to tell me something, but she don't want him to tell me. So I said to her, I said, give him the phone, man, and make me hear, because the whole will rap like that. Yeah, so when him take the phone from her, now he said to me, say, X, I go call her X, because we don't really want to call the name.
Yeah.
Him say X vex, because him call me. Him tell her, say him call me 2 nights before, when she was asleep. So him say she jealous. So I was so shocked because this is not like no 2-year friendship me I tell you about. A long time something.
Yeah.
All right. She say I'm jealous. All right, I was shocked. I'm say.
Well, no, him say she jealous.
Him say she jealous.
Right.
Getting it mixed up.
Right.
Him say she jealous. So I said jealous over what? Him say just because I call you the other day and I heal you up and whatever. That was during the time of Nicola. You didn't know how, you know, a lot of people were displaced and all of them little things there.
Right.
Just call me for bless me up, for say how me do and whatever. And I never like him planned for call me when she gone to her bed. Just that she was just
happened to be sleeping at the time.
Call me when she awake, him call me when she sleeps sometimes. Right. So me I say, what she vex her? Anyway, I hang up my phone. Come and tell him so I can't bother with the foolishness. She called me the next day and I said to me, say, he should not have been calling another woman while she was asleep. Raga, what do you think about that?
What time of night him calling?
Him call me maybe about 7:30.
7:30.
Because that girl is asleep early, you know.
Okay, all right. And how long?
Minutes to 8.
How long now you and her friend?
About 13, 14 years from school.
From school, okay.
Yeah.
So, and you, all three want to talk like good like that, whatever.
Yes, it's somebody that she's been dating like 2 years now.
Okay, and then him on many occasions he had called you in front of her too.
Of course, all three we rap sometime, we eat dinner, we go out sometime, all of that.
All right, but
and like we double date and so on.
All right, what is happening here is I don't think I don't think the issue is you. I think, just based on what we've been talking about here on the show, is that sometimes you never know, and, even the person who you trust for many, many years, as you have heard on this show already on multiple occasions since we start this topic. Sometimes it's that person for years and years and years, and there's a degree of uncertainty out there with something.
Hear what happened now. You see, when she called me the next day and I talk about it and so on, I tell her so she have a psychological problem. Because obviously something is bothering her because she knows that I am not that type of person. To be honest, Raga, a lot of friends go behind them friend back and take them man.
Yeah.
And not every friend stays so. Raga, if me and a girl are enemy, I know say me and her straight up and not we're not friend. And our man look me or whatever, I feel like I want him, I will take him. But me not take my friend, man.
No. I know what I'm saying to you is, I don't think the issue is with you.
No, hold on, Raga, I'm going to tell you what I think the issue is.
Is what?
I turned to her the next day when she called me because I yesterday mix up there. The next day when she called me and I run up her mouth and I tell me, oh, she really don't feel that he should have called me or whatever. I turn to her and I say, I know you're going to vex about me, I tell you this straight up. Me have a call a couple of years ago. Me did I talk to somebody and every night after me and him don't talk, our day, sometimes you reach my house and I do the things. So you feel say, no, your time feet come back around, but me not go there that can be different.
Well,
she called one of my friends and tell my friend say I hit her below the belt when me remind her of that because she was immature at the time. Because she did it already to me, Raga, but me not go
hold on. Years ago, you like did have a man.
6 years ago.
6 years ago. And every night when you talk to the man, you don't talk to the man.
When me say every night, you know me no mean.
Me know. But when you don't talk to him, she go over females them and go sort him out.
Raga, she take taxi, leave all school. I reach and place and I not have no clue.
So this girl, your best friend, who is still your best friend, she used to take your man behind your back.
I'm ignore it, Raga.
I can't change about her.
Raga, no.
I can't change about her because she think I'm probably a look good girl too and you have it like that and can't take the man if you want the man.
The thing about it, I don't know if she's insecure because we are like opposites. I am a fussy person where fashion is concerned. She's not that type of person.
Well, listen to me now. Let me tell you something. You have some people out there, see?
Why to ring off the hook?
You have some people out there. Them have some faults and them have some unpleasant qualities about them. But when time you find out them unpleasant qualities, it is not within their capacity if you just leave it at that and say, I'm wrong, I made it wrong. Them have to find some way to turn it around and justify what them do, or justify why you should understand what them they do, or whatever the case may be, and this and that. Don't make she dry you in that mix up.
Even though she do me that, a lot of people might say, oh, me tata, I mean, Raga, me stick to her same way. I say, you know why? Because I live by the motto here, Raga, I'm going to share it with you. Not really a motto, but a philosophy. We live in a real world with real people who do real things. So you see, when she do it, it's like I was hurt, I was devastated for a while, but I say, I'm not going to make no man make me and my friend mash up. If him never look at her, she couldn't fall for him.
Let me tell you something.
I'm going to forgive her feet in a
Let me tell you something. I commend you on the forgiveness, but you're too much strong. Your stomach strong, your stomach strong. I commend you on your forgiveness because that requires the capacity to forgive a person in that situation. Is quite remarkable. Because I ain't do it.
Raga, I never talk to him back. I'm stick to she. I just never take him back. But Raga, know that you vexed me over fear, man. I tell me, vex over to him call me. I tell myself, say, me not call her back. Raga, you think me wrong? Me not think me for call her in a Raga. Cause me not do her anything and she knows say me not take for her boyfriend.
Well, I don't think you're wrong in the sense that you realize the thing can get ugly and you rather extricate yourself from it than to be involved with it. I don't think you're wrong. I'm not so sure, given that on a relationship been going strong since that terrible incident that you already forgive her and whatever this and that, given that she insecure right now and whatever, I think it warrant totally a cut her off and a call her. But at the same time, if the thing come, remember, so she never really did attack you with anything, you know. Him I say him want to say something to you, you know.
Yeah, but she vexed with me, and if him never come on the phone and say something, Raga, me still wouldn't know.
Well on, real quick. Who she vexed with, him or you?
She vexed with him, but at the same time, she not vexed with me to Raga if she could say a man about it.
No, it's not necessarily the case.
What you mean?
Because, like you saying, when she did attack your man, if your man wasn't a part of it, then the thing wouldn't happen. You understand what I say? So she just want to make sure, say, fear man is not a part of it. Because she probably knows, say, you will never take him,
No, me not do that, Raga.
All right, but what I say, she just want to put him in check, And sometimes women communicate them, look, it's like she give him a check, say, don't even think about it,
Right, come to him, same tell me too.
Right, no, because she probably say, listen, I know my friend look good, so don't even bother look over there.
Yes.
And that's basically a comment. I don't think it's necessarily an attack on you. Right? I think she put him in check. That's why she just want to put him in check without him say anything to you.
Anyway, Raga, I listen to what you say, but more I say before I leave.
Yeah, real quick.
I just want you big up, very short.
Quick,
I want you big up all of the girls them out there.
Yeah.
Who not stop them friend in them back.
See it there.
Because we say not sell out to friend them.
See it then. I say you not take your friend, man.
Not take a friend, man.
All right,
then. Just big up yourself.
Blessings to the world, yeah?
All right.
Manners and respect. Well, I break soon forward. Yo. Hey, you know, I say, somebody post a thing on the wall, and them say, a woman say she don't want, Jermaine, a woman say she don't want none of her friend them have a man number. What you think about that? You think, is that, what you think about that, Ruth? Is that a good thing? A woman says she don't want none of her female friend them have her man number. You think that's a good thing? Darling, what you say about it? Know your friend, that's fine. But she's saying just by principle, in terms of being proactively cautious. Don't, she say, in general. In other words, if your friend want to talk to your man, them have forgot to you. What you say about that? Huh? I say it depends on a friend. It's an interesting situation, Perhaps society has changed somewhat, where, women are no longer constrained with these conventions of culture where they're not as free anymore. And, give that woman can do as they like now pretty much, and think probably things kind of different out there. We don't know. That lady said, your friend them nothing have your man number. And by extension, as a man to me, I say, yo, my male friend them not supposed to have my woman number. Where's the Jeremy? You're not join that. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Good afternoon. How are you?
How are you? They make so much echo there, sir.
Because I'm in the bathroom, they are work.
Okay, we understand the drill. We have been here on many occasions. Okay, so what go down?
Anyway, I got a mix up about myself,
We're getting a lot of first-person mix-ups, and we like that. Yeah, man, yeah.
The thing about, all right, you have a best friend, me and they live on the same building in Spanish Town.
Yeah.
She knows somebody with the guy, and she ain't take the guy, but me never know.
And she do what? And she, well, what you say she do with the guy?
She have got it with him.
And you never know one of your best friend.
Best friend. All right. This is how I find out now. Me end up that's me and the guy left.
Yeah.
So it's like she live with a man on the building.
Yeah.
Right. So the guy called me one morning and said to me, say, so and so live on your building same way. But see, you can't ask me that question there. Him say, yeah. And me and I didn't know, and she told me say she left the man where she did. That way, so I can't get that information there. Right? So him keep on a pressing about it. I say, so she really moved still, but I don't know where she there right now. So I said to myself, we got knock on her window and see if she there. So I say, all right, I'm going to do it. So me call her on her phone now. So I said to her, I say, my girl, the man just called me and asked me to say they still live with the man, And she said, oh, you call him. I say, yeah, him just call me. So she find out, say, me know about she and the man now. Anyway, that's the truth, Rag. I'm going to take back for her, man.
What you going to do? You going to take back for her, man?
Yes.
Out of revenge, you going to just go take back for her, man?
Yes, because me and the man live on the same building and he didn't like me.
No, hold on. Well, we need for first, I could just answer. You have a friend, right?
Yeah.
And you and the two of them live on the same building?
Yes.
You didn't live with your man at that time?
No, darling, I'm a single person.
Yeah, okay. What?
Me single, me not have no man.
Yeah, you're single now, but you did there with a man at that time, right?
Yes.
And she did not take your man and you never know?
No.
And then after you left him now, him call you and I ask you for check if she and at next man where she did there with it still a link.
Yes.
And then when you know, basically I check now, I saw you get for confirm, so she did not take your man.
Yes.
And out of revenge now, you go back and take fear man where she live with on the building.
Yes.
Who did I give you arguments and I move to you quietly for a long time?
In our bed.
And you never did move to him or do nothing with him because I your friend, man.
Yeah.
But now that you find out, say she did take your man, you go back and take for your man.
Yeah.
And it's just for revenge you do it?
Yeah, we're friends up to today, you see, we.
What that?
We're still friends.
You and the girl are still friends now?
Yeah, because guess what? When you go supermarket a weekend time, but just carry a bag and go supermarket too, don't I yard?
What you say when what?
When she go supermarket a mountain time, when a man get paid and she go supermarket and go buy the groceries, I go down I yard with a bag and go collect my groceries.
Well, answer all know you still a take her man?
No, me and him really not me, because I'm not giving the money, not giving the amount of money he wants.
Okay, so through the amount of money where you want now, so now you stop giving sort out?
Yes.
But you still get your grocery?
Yeah, I still go supermarket a mountain time.
So she go buy the grocery, and when she bring in the grocery, you bring your bag to collect your one?
Yeah, I just go down there and take up what I want.
But then she you know, she said the things I'm missing.
No, she did it when I take it up.
She did it when you take it up?
Yeah, then I'm a friend, I'm going to take up anything more. My brother come once, I'm going to call her. I'm the guy to her, come on.
Oh, but she don't know say you did I take her man?
No.
How long ago now you stop take her man? How long now you stop take her man?
Maybe about 6 months.
So you and him stop Pam, fully when you stop Pam?
Yeah.
So, but she knows say you know say she used to take your man?
Yes, she know.
But she don't know say you used to take for your man?
No.
And then tell me something, this revenge thing, I know, it was just for revenge or you didn't like the man?
Raga cool, you know, so nothing I really did it, so I don't really feel like.
No, don't them say we're not for going at that cool something there, yeah? Okay, so you are Indian?
Me?
Yeah, you are Indian?
No, Raga.
So who are Indian?
The man.
The man are Indian. Okay, so
yeah.
So you did just so you did enjoy the start out?
I don't enjoy the start out part, but I enjoy the next part.
Oh, so some swiping going on?
Yeah, you can't call it that.
Okay, so what you say, him swipe card better than him strike? Him is a better swiper than he's a striker.
Upstairs is better than downstairs.
Him upstairs better than him. Tambourine! Why? Well, as far as Fim house is concerned, him upstairs is better than him downstairs. Listen, don't make a rank up nationwide carpet in there today. The Papa Jesus. Why? Big up the man, them upstairs better than them downstairs. Anyway, so, but you and him don't know anymore anything around this.
No, but him call me just to see him and she was on him phone and call me my number store and him phone.
But then tell me something. Some people are listening right now and I say, boy, you shouldn't even, if your friend do you that, you shouldn't bother go take no revenge and go do back that to your friend. And, you know,
what? That's what people want to be about people.
So you feel better that you took the revenge?
Yeah, I feel better, I'm satisfied.
You feel satisfied and contented. Say, yo, a girl take your man and you take back a girl, man, don't it?
Yeah, and I'm going to find out when I carry things for the 2 hours.
The 2 hours, no?
Yeah.
Papa Jesus. And you and her are still good friends up to this day?
We are still good friends. Me even our baby godmother.
Yeah.
That's how it's good.
Backside, I know. Well, yeah, well, with all due respect to her and everything, a she force go take your man. Not that me I say where you're the writer, but a she force go take your man. So in terms of the drama,
people sit down and chat people business. Instead of chat people business, we chat too. When I saw it here, so she didn't know.
So she didn't know the 100.
Yes, but you me tell her about it. That I go wrong. Me tell her about the start out of the wrong part. I do.
Oh, so you did that? So you did always?
Yeah, because I'm a friend like that.
Are you a friend like that? So you share all the details of your personal life to her because you trust her. And you tell her, and them time that you start out with your man, did shot it, did sell off it, did Shell Dung.
Yes.
And you tell her.
You might know her, see, Raga.
Eh?
I tell you.
What?
You might know her.
So I might know the friend?
Yes.
Why I might know her?
Raga, Spanish Town. I need to tell you which part of Spanish Town.
Why? A week. Over there, so?
You know?
No, say a word, man. Over there, so?
Yes, over there, so.
Oh.
Over the big house.
The what?
Over the big house. Next door, Raga, next door.
don't. All right, no say nothing. Don't say another word. Papa Jesus. Don't. Why? Tambourine. You know me have to go investigate that one now. Listen up. I'm going to ask you a favor. Could you just, we're going to leave now, but I want you to leave your number with Ruth, okay?
Okay.
Because we have to exercise some follow-ups on this matter. There's a matter of great urgency that relates to nation building that we have to explore further. And so for Ruth leaving, could you be so kind as to secure this young lady's number for us to follow with some additional consultation and so forth? All right? Blessings. Papa Jesus. Wait. Here we go. Good. God. Good afternoon. Hello. Bounty Killer Talk. Who is our dead ear? Hello. Yes, greetings.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
How are you?
Well, I'm good, you know. How are you?
Mr. Raga, I'm good. Mr. Raga, last week, for me, I have to call you. Don't look at $20 credit, you know.
Oh. What?
Get you.
You call a show with $20 credit?
$200 no style, my man.
Eh?
$200.
$200 credit. I think I $20 you say. But anyway, what go down here?
You said the girl I call the Spanish girl, I'm a good friend. But anyway, my mix-up is Raga. You see, if you have a friend,
yeah,
and your friend man I look you,
yeah,
if him have something where you know say it will benefit you, take him.
Well, on. If you have a friend, and let's say your best friend, and your best friend man I look you, and you say if him have something where you can benefit from,
take him.
Why?
I got a bit of two water. Why you know say I call and time I have a little friend in and the man never did a gear no too tough still in and running pan that and my benefit still, but me and a good friend up to now.
What you said the man never did a gear nothing too tough as in minor? Him never did a minor too tough. But him did have the things and but just never a gear. And what you do, you screech upon her and just go around the thing and then get him.
No, I'm not going to think, take the number from her and call him up and be a thing done.
What you mean?
Look a thing going.
What you mean you take the number from her? What you mean?
Ask her him number.
You ask her for him number and make sure you know say you want him?
Yeah, but to me, I'm not really my type, you know, so I'm sick with that, but I'll see what I could have get done.
No, but hold on, but this different because she knows that you didn't move to him.
Yeah.
No, but that this that no count then. I
know that. After the end of the day, me get she vex. Or me I say, have a smart up with the tea. You can't make them come just running and nothing. When you're there with them and they have a little thing in her, you have to try to get the little thing when they have in it, isn't it?
Hold on now. But you say she vex because him start give you the things them.
Yeah.
But here's a question. When you take the number from her and say you are moving upon him and her did start Pam?
No, Pam, no, did it so, not even Pam.
What? Hold on. What may I say? She and him did do anything yet?
Yeah.
Hold on there. She and him did a sort out. Or did sort out already. And you ask her for the number and say you are moving and thing?
Yeah.
And she give you the number and make you go in?
Yeah.
And then after you go in, him start give you crazy things and then she vex?
Yeah.
Because she never get the things them way I give you?
Yeah.
What the backside she have vex? So she don't have nothing for vex for?
But right I don't know want him back because him gonna find him. I tell him one lie and him for roll out some money and I roll out the money. So just delete him number out of my phone and just give my friend them the phone for just use off the international minutes.
Oh, okay. Can you give him a lie and him never respond to the lie and say that?
Respond to the lie. Each boy him did that in a hospital. Him lucky him in a hospital.
Hold on. So you tell him lie, say you did in a hospital or you breed or something?
And tell me say me in a hospital.
Hold on. Who tell who the lie? You know say you tell him a lie?
Me tell him a lie, but him tell me.
Well, and then pinch you and tell me look a lie what you tell him now since you and him though.
There's some good man left me and nothing not go on.
And nothing not go on, and you depend nothing you really need.
I'm hungry, I kill me, I have to move out and catch it when I'm a friend them.
Okay, and you're dead and be sitting and hard life, I reach you hungry, I kill you and you catch it friend.
Jesus Christ,
and then you say, after you tell him that, him not send her no money for help or anything.
But he must send it by Friday. That's last week Friday. After him call me, come delete number, from Friday, I'm going to get money to delete him number, call him. I was in the hospital on this and that. I said, good for you, they are hungry, I came, I'm sick, not now go on. Yeah.
And then him still send the money, so you just cut him out.
Yeah.
My girl, you know, see how I go on.
Because him send me a general.
Then I'm... Duh. Then you know, see how I go on. You try player.
Him not smart like me.
Him not smart like you?
No.
Why? Because you beat him already, no?
Yeah.
How you beat him already?
Because nothing I tell him I believe and just let go the money.
Alright, nothing you tell him.
Give me a no.
No, nothing you tell him and him believe and let go the money, don't. But you did I give him the work before him get some though, don't it?
Nothing couldn't go on, my Indian.
What is Indian thing? What you mean nothing couldn't go on? What you mean?
He's the original swiper. And to become my right to man, I'm not going to make any man go in. No man now go in here.
No, stop. Well, you and him never do nothing, no, never do the things them.
In swipe.
Mind you tell me line, because sometimes when I lie. Sometimes, because sometimes when a man
go... You have hard problem. Doctor say not to get excited.
But him get some... Him have hard problem, doctor say... No, make I die. But anyway, him get for do the things him. But are you aware that there are men out there who, when them do that, that is what the satisfaction is for them, and that is what them want, and that is what I'm happy with, and based upon that, them will take care of woman on a level. Are you aware of that?
Yeah.
In other words, in a female mind, at least he might get something from you. But even in your mind, is you will get something from him, even with the action. You understand? So when I say the point is, at least you and him did involve. And then probably him did a roll with you and whatever and realize, say, you know, you're a girl, you coot up the thing. So basically what you say, you hustle off a man, but you're not dash out the sitting again, no other man, don't it?
No, do that. My man is a straight man, good man.
No, but may I ask you something? Like that. No, but based on what you are saying is this, that if you have your straight up man, right? But you are say, when you make a outer man swipe you say that an a bun, that you basically are saying. No,
and a bun for two.
And a bun for two.
And a bun.
When a woman have her good up man, or say her husband, and she make her next man swipe her, you say that an a bun.
No, sir.
Swiping on a bun.
Just a little tasting.
Just a little tasting. Okay.
Yes.
We can't do it. We can't go in the details of the part.
Yes.
We just want to understand, the construction is, because sometimes people don't even understand. There are people out there who believe that when they engage in activities that are oral in nature, pleasurable activities that are oral in nature, a great many Jamaicans are of the opinion that that is not cheating. You are one of them. Anyway, then, blessings and respect for you, Mixup here.
Yeah, and take care of yourself, Mr. Raga. I'm rating, I'm dying to see you one day.
All right. Now,
I'm not getting more details.
Now, when I'm going to ask you straight and plain, then, I'm just curious. You don't do things with me?
I'm fluffy, I'm fat, and you fat.
No, I'm not fat.
Me yes say you're fat, me yes say you have body.
No, sometimes people confuse ghetto people when them say fat and thick. Like Miss Telma always I say I'm fat, but what Miss Telma mean is me thick. So what you are saying, me fat or me thick?
Raga, me can't say that question,
No, but wait. What me I say? What you are say? You fluffy? So where you like?
Listen me straight up, I can't see you, so I just say you go.
You can't what?
No, nobody repeat that.
You can't what? Well, where you like? Maga man, you like, no?
No, like I'm saying, I can't see you.
You can't see me?
Raga, I make everybody know what color happened to you.
All right. Oh. Okay. May I understand what's going on? Oh. Okay.
Yes.
All right, then.
Yes.
All right, then, bless you.
But me a regular listener, I'm a love of things still.
All right, let's say a word here. Proper respect indeed. Here.
Aye.
Bomba. Yeah. I mix up, me say, you know. Well, if I learnings in the mix up, you can't stay about tonight and I mix up. Big up my friend, Garnet Roper, you know. Give me a next call.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Hi, evening.
Yes, good evening.
First time I call my Raga, but I always take in a show. I have to tell her I mix up here.
Rinse.
About my friend and fear friend.
Yeah.
Alright, this is my friend and a fear friend. What am I my friend?
Well, you confuse me. You say, see, you're a friend and fear friend. The two of them are your friend.
Right.
What? Man and woman, okay.
Man and woman.
But wait, she and him there and the two of them are your friend?
Yes.
Alright, yeah.
I like for me, so what they, when them want to contact each other, them have to go through me. So, we always use the look at texting. What did you say? Give 100 text free?
Hold on. The two of them not really dead together, but them do the things them quietly.
Right, because them have them people, them.
Also, the two, she a fear man, him a femme woman. But them right, go, when them contact one another, them go through you.
Right,
okay.
That's my friend them.
And the two of them are your friend. All right, then, cool.
Right, so we always have me and the girlfriend always talk about the guy over the phone. So what do you have? We have text, oh, we want to meet up to go out somewhere. Because any planning on me take place, them have to go through me so me can organize the planning.
Yeah.
And they say, the girl go text and guess what she do? Text the man the message what she should send to me for link up the other man. I'm going to say the man text her about Raga. And said to her, I just get a text, you know. Just get a text. What you think you're doing? You want me to kill you? No, girl.
Hold on. She text the message where she for text to you for link him up.
Right. She sent it. She likes me. Don't know what's getting out on her head. She just caught up and got text to her right, man. All right, man. Say I got the message instead of the man you're texting. What you think you're doing? You know what is me to kill you?
And then what happened after that, no?
She called me. She texted me. No, said, Jesus Christ, me dead now. The man. the man send a message to my man wrongfully. I said, oh, you have to do that, my girl. She said, she don't know. What should I do? I said, just tell him, say, you know, it was a mistake or somebody sent a text. Anyways, I said to her, I said,
quick, we only have a minute left here because we have to finish before 5 here for the people prepare for news. So yeah, man, yeah, quick.
Okay, let me get to it. I'm going to get to it real short.
Yeah.
Anyways, we have a link up and the man come home through the whole thing. So I said to her, when he come home, does not say nothing to him, just be good and be quiet. And she said, the man come home, the man said to her, say, him to give her, but why should do these things?
Right.
So she tell him, say, you know why me I do it because they not swipe and my friend a swipe. Lord of God. So I said, that's why you do something, yeah?
Okay.
When she tell me that, she tell him that the man say, all right, since me not do it, me I go start the come do why I go to that man, yeah.
You know what, the mix-up done right there, sir. The mix-up done right there, sir. So the man say him don't want to lose him, woman, so he going, you know what? Him don't want the next man go swipe when woman, so he going start do the things them right now. Stop it right there, sir. We can't send no more pan apart there, yeah? We can't send no more pan apart there. Okay, people, that is that. I would just want to say big up all Jojo. Big up all Jojo. Richard dead. Ruth dead.